Hey guys, this is a requested video and I was asked to make something for a dining area in silver. So I came up with this idea and I made a set of 3. This wall decor is really interesting and very easy to make, and I'd like to share with you guys just how I made it. Now here are the items that I used. All the items that I used are from the Dollar Tree. And I will be leaving a full list of every other thing that I used in the description box below. Now, I have been hearing complaints about this mirror and it's not available in the Dollar Tree for now, and I'm really sorry you guys, but I bought a whole lot of them last year and that's what I'm going to be using. These are silver plastic mini spoons for dessert, gotten from the Dollar Tree, and these are the parts that I'm going to be using, and this is how I'm going to be gluing them down. I have to emphasize that you'd have to clean down the mirrors properly before you start gluing. This is the pattern that I'm going to be repeating for all 4 sides. The last 4 that we have here, I'm going to repeat it and put it here, and that's what it looks like. And then I took the gems, acrylic gems, and then I made a design at the 4 corners, and then I'm going to be gluing down the plastic bowl in the middle. I just quickly glued a hook at the back to hang it on the wall to see what it was going to look like, and it's too thin, so I had to cut out pieces from a foam board and make a canvas out of it. I spray painted it silver, and then I glued the mirror design on top of it, and I did this for all 3 designs. I hanged them on the wall to see what they were all gonna look like, and they turned out so beautiful. You can hang it the way you like, but I made 3 different hanging arrangements on the wall to see what it was gonna look like, and for you to choose whichever one you prefer to see on your wall. This was a simple, quick and easy DIY using Dollar Tree items. And it's going to be suitable for the dining area, and it's silver and shiny, just as the person requested. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section below, and remember to like and share. Thank you so much for watching. I have other videos linked in the description box below. Do check them out, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.